Tunnel is created with the wood. You can see the wood and the concrete.
There's a great back here that we walk across.
It is. It goes down about 100 feet. 100 feet.
Oh, great.
So those cutouts that were on the wall there, those had a pump on them. And remember I said they built stuff with high pressure grouting? So there was a pump on there. The guy would just one-hand it down that ladder, backfill between the blocks of concrete and backfill those cooling pipes. So the reason I say one-handed down there, well, BC, before COVID, someone dropped a phone down there. No problem, call maintenance, right? They could just come get it, right? Because my key opens that lock, right? Oh, no. You need 4 people with confined space training and respirators, and that bolt they tie off to is no longer OSHA certified. So needless to say, that guy's phone, it kept ringing during the day, and so it did vibrate off into the water. But if you look closely on one of the landings, you can see his credit card and ID. Please don't put your credit cards and IDs on your phones and then shove them down in some place and risk everything. Yeah, my daughter did that.